Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kezia. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this wig that I have installed. This wig is actually from UNice Hair. This is a 26-inch body wave wig. I know it's looking like it's real straight, but she is actually a body wave wig, you guys. wig is from UNice Hair. This is the Brazilian body wave wig. I know I said body wave, but she is looking straight and bone straight at that. So she is also 26 inches. I have the 180% density option, and I'm gonna say right off the bat, this is where you want to be at for hair that you want to wear straight. 180% density in this particular wig is actually perfect. And why I decided to wear it straight is because it is 180% density. When I'm looking for a straight wig, I want it to be full. Like, no matter which way you pull it or twist it or put it up, I want there to be a body, and this wig is definitely giving that. I did bleach the knots on this unit, you guys, like I usually do with all of my units, and a lot of times when you do bleach your knots, you can get away with not plucking as much. That's a little trick for you guys if you're not familiar with that. One of the reasons why I like to always bleach my knots. For this wig, I didn't pluck anything. All I did was pull a bit of the baby hairs forward and gel them down, and I applied some powder to the hairline. I didn't really have to pluck anything on it. It's looking gorgeous. The lace color is absolutely stunning and is your classic medium brown, and that's what I am, medium brown. So anytime I get a medium brown lace, it usually just melts into my skin effortlessly. So with that being said, if you are my complexion or a little bit lighter or darker, this lace is gonna melt into your skin. As you guys can see, it's looking flawless. This is a 4x4 lace closure wig, so the parting space is just from here to here, and it just looks so natural. I'm definitely loving this unit. Now, this wig is $247 Canadian. I'm gonna do the US conversion right here. I'm gonna put it right here. It's gonna be a lot cheaper for you guys in the US if you're looking to buy this wig, and I'm here for it. You guys know I love me some long hair. The hair is not tangling as I'm running my hands through it. It is feeling very silky. What I'm going to do is try to give it a curl with the curling wand. When you use your flat iron on hair that is like meant to be curly, it tends to have a harder time going back to the curl like that same day. But we're gonna curl this section and see how it holds a curl and if it curls nicely, because I have yet to do that. So I really need you guys to come through. If you guys want me to do more wig giveaways, you know, put in that effort, and I'm definitely gonna keep doing it. But I need that from you. You know, I'm not gonna just give wigs away to people that are not deserving of them. Because I know, like, before I started getting sent wigs, like, I would have loved for an opportunity to win a wig, you know, where I'm planning on doing like maybe a get ready with me. I also have like some nail content coming, because I do my own nails, if you guys didn't know. And yeah, I plan on sharing some of that information. We'll also be doing nail giveaways, like a whole bunch of fun stuff, you guys, to come. So if you haven't subscribed, and maybe this is the first time you're watching any of my videos, and maybe, you know, watch some videos, and if you enjoy one or two, you should definitely think about subscribing. Back to the hair. She curled, but like I said, I thought that she wouldn't hold the curl as well, and that's exactly what's happening, because it was from a freshly washed hairstyle. Anyway, that's what it looks like. Kind of. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, leave me a thumbs up, and leave your thoughts below on this unit if you want me to do an update on this wig in the future. If you want to purchase this wig, I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box. But before we go, I must say this wig is definitely Kaviar Kez approved, you guys. I'm loving it, and I think it's definitely gonna be something that I'm gonna go to. I love the fact that it's a 4x4. So with that being said, and I would definitely recommend it to you guys. Check them out, UNice Hair. They have an Amazon store, AliExpress store. This particular wig is from the AliExpress store, so I'm gonna leave the AliExpress link for you guys if you want to purchase it yourself. But yeah, definitely give it 2 thumbs up, you guys. I gotta go. I'll catch you in another video. Peace.